Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll want to choose fresh eggs for the best outcome, as they tend to peel more easily. Next, select a pot that is large enough to comfortably hold all your eggs in a single layer. Finally, place your eggs in the pot and cover them with cold water, ensuring there's about 1 inch of water above the eggs. Now, let's get to the boiling process. Place your pot on the stove over high heat and bring the water to a full, rolling boil. As soon as the water reaches this vigorous boil, immediately turn off the heat. It's crucial to act quickly here. Then, without lifting the lid, cover the pot tightly with a fitted lid. This traps the heat inside, allowing the eggs to cook gently and evenly. After turning off the heat, let the eggs sit undisturbed in the hot water for 12 to 15 minutes. This resting period is key for achieving a firm, fully cooked yolk. While the eggs are resting, prepare an ice bath by filling a bowl with cold water and plenty of ice cubes. Once the resting time is complete, carefully transfer the eggs from the hot water directly into the ice bath for at least 5 minutes. Finally, it's time to peel and store your perfectly hard-boiled eggs. To peel, gently tap each egg on a hard surface, then roll it to create small cracks all over the shell. Peeling them under cool running water can make the process much easier, as the water helps separate the membrane from the egg. Once peeled, you can store your hard-boiled eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.